everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute Waze application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You might want to mute your Waze during phone calls on mobile devices. In order to do that, tap open Waze application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in as well. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on My Waze at the bottom left. From the expanded menu, tap Settings or the gear button at the top left. Now, tap on Voice and Sound. Scroll down and enable the button right next to Mute Waze during calls. Make sure that the button is turned blue. Once you enable this option, you'll be able to mute your Waze during phone calls. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.